If you consider buying a home for your growing family or you are a downsizer wishing to stay in central Toronto, this video is for you. I will be talking about one of the most recommended areas in Midtown Toronto, and I will show you an absolutely gorgeous home here as an excellent example of a highly regarded lifestyle. My name is Olena and I am your Toronto real estate advisor with Sotheby's International Realty. My team and I help our local and relocating clients get to know Toronto neighborhoods and buy homes that meet their needs and expectations. But before I start, I would like to ask you to support my channel by liking my videos and subscribing. Also, if you have any questions, please contact us directly or schedule a consultation through the link below this video. Let's begin. The neighborhood that I would like to bring to your closer attention to is Bedford Park, which is located in the heart of Midtown Toronto, right between Ronan Avenue and Avenue Road and Brooke Avenue and Lawrence Avenue West. Many of you would say, we know this area very well, what's new about it? Well, there is a reason why Bedford Park is trending now as never before, and why many families that have settled down here are not planning to leave the area for many years in advance. Did you know that the most of homeowners in Bedford Park wouldn't wish to change their neighborhood but might consider a bigger or a newer home in this neighborhood, and often even in the same street? This choice pertains to the location, types of real estate, lifestyle, and demographics in here. We will start with the real estate. The homes in Bedford Park are a mix of the original detached and semi-detached homes, well-upgraded detached homes of 15 to 20 years old, and luxury new builds that include all modern features to your convenience. I would like to show you one of these luxury homes that I am selling in Bedford Park for my clients. 272 Cranbrooke Avenue is designed to satisfy the most demanding tastes. With an architecturally designed exterior, this house features a wider footprint. This means it is more spacious inside than any other home built on the lot of a similar size. Heated floors right from the entrance, dining room with floor-to-ceiling windows, elegant kitchen with an oversized 11-feet center island and lots of storage. And finally, here on the main floor we have a cozy family room with a gas fireplace, elegant wall unit, and a walkout to the deck. The open concept floor plans allow to organize the space to your convenience and to enjoy the volume of the house. A state-of-art staircase, an oversized skylight, warm tone of the flooring, neutral colors, floor-to-ceiling windows make the house exceptionally bright and welcoming. The house has 4 bedrooms on the second floor, an additional bedroom in the basement, 4 full washrooms, and 1 powder room on the main floor. Top-class appliances, central vacuum, and many other upgrades. Please reach out to me for a full list of the features, a luxury property brochure, floor plans, and numbers. If you live in this house, you will find yourself 8 minutes walk to the Yonge Street amenities and 5 minutes walk to Avenue Road, 7 minutes drive to Highway 401, and 15 minutes drive to Yorkville. If you are moving with the family and you have children, then your public schools will be highly regarded. Wanless Junior Public School with its ranking 8.4 out of 10. Glenview Senior School and Lawrence Park Collegiate Institute for high schoolers. All the schools are ranked high enough, so you will not have to change neighborhoods anytime during your kids' school years. Within 20 minutes walk, you will find 3 playgrounds, 1 pool, 2 rinks, 1 community center, 1 splash pad, 2 trail, and many sport facilities around. The Lawrence subway station is 6 minutes away and the nearest bus stop is 5 minutes away. The walk score in Bedford Park is 85 out of 100. So who are the residents in Bedford Park and what they do? The average age of the residents is 41 years old, 85% of them speak only English, 58% of the households are occupied with families with children, and the average household income is $270,000. 74% of the residents are university grads, By the way, Bedford Park is notable for its executives in business, education, law, and public sector. Residents tend to be with a significant number of babies, kids aged 5 to 14, and youth aged 15 to 19. Let's see who will enjoy Bedford Park and who might not. If you like an urban lifestyle in a family-oriented community, then this neighborhood is certainly for you. But if you are looking for an urban lifestyle in a family-oriented community, in a bigger house, on a bigger lot, then you might not like Bedford Park and you would rather watch your options in Lawrence Park South, Lytton Park, Cricket Club, Teddington Park, and others. Call me to discuss your requirements and I will direct you to the right neighborhood. The average sale price in Bedford Park is around $2 million as of February 2024. To get a precise price point for homes, please contact me directly. This is the neighborhood and the house that I wanted to showcase today. Please feel free to ask questions and also to reach out if you are interested in Toronto's neighborhoods with great lifestyle features. I am Toronto real estate broker with Sotheby's International Realty, and I help local and relocating clients choose their homes in town. Also, do not forget to like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.